नमस्ते बच्चों, I am here with the next topic of your chapter linear equations in two variables. As we have already learnt about the two algebraic methods to solve a linear equations in two variables. Now this is the third method named cross multiplication method to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables. So let us see what is the cross multiplication method of solving a pair of linear equations in two variables. So for any pair of linear equations in two variables of the form, the standard form of linear equations in two variables are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So to obtain the value of x and y, let us solve it by elimination method, as we have learnt about the method of elimination to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables. So here in equation first, if we are going to eliminate y here, so coefficient of y in equation first is b1, so it is multiplied b1, equation second is multiplied by b1, and the coefficient of equation y in equation second is b2, so equation first is multiplied by b2. So multiplying equation first by b2 and equation second by b1 and hence subtracting we get फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को b2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, मतलब कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y इन सेकेंड इक्वेशन से, और सेकेंड इक्वेशन को b1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यानी कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y इन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से. तो and hence since both the signs are same sign is here, so we have to subtract it. So let us multiply it. a1 multiplied by b2 will be a1 b2 x, b1 multiplied by b2 will be b1 b2 y, plus c1 multiplied by b2 will be b2 c1, and is equal to 0 multiplied by b2 will be 0, and b1 multiplied a2 multiplied by b1 will be a2 b1, plus b2 multiplied by b1 will be b1 b2, and c2 multiplied by b1 will be b1 c2, and 0 multiplied by b1 will be 0. Now you have to change the sign. So after changing the sign, this b1 b2y and b1 b2y will be cancelled. Now a1 b2 is here and a2 b1 x is here, so we have taken x as common, you can see here, and then we have here a1 b2 and minus is there, so minus a2 b1 into x will be there, plus b2 c1 minus b1 c2 is equal to 0. Now a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is into x is equal to, this minus is transferred to RHS, that is b1 c2, and this transferred to RHS, then it will be minus b2 c1. So we have got the value of x. So value of x will be b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This will be the value of x. And now to find the value of y, it will be easy to find the value of y by eliminating x, because if we are going to put this value in any equation, it will be so lengthy to find the value of y. So let us eliminate. To eliminate x, we have to multiply. To eliminate x, we have to multiply the coefficient of x in equation first is a1. So again we have multiplied the equation second by a1, and the coefficient of x in equation second is a2, so equation first is multiplied by a2. Again multiplying first by a2 and second by a1 and subtracting. Then after multiplying a1 a2 will be x will be there, and b1 a2 b1 y will be there, and a2 c1 is here is equal to 0, and a1 a2 x, a1 b2 y, and a1 c2 is equal to 0 multiplied by a1 will be 0. Now after changing the sign, this a1 a2x and a1 a2x will be cancelled, and then we have here a2 b1 and minus a1 b2, minus sign is there and y is common, and plus a2 c1 and minus a1 c2 is equal to 0. Now a2 b1 minus a1 b2 into y will be equal to, this minus will be, when transferred into RHS it will be plus, and plus a2 c1 will be minus. Then we have got the value of y, which is equal to a1 c2 minus a2 c1 and a2 b1 minus a1 b2. Now it can be also written as, you can see here, your value of y is, we have got is, y we have got is equal to, the value of y is equal to a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Here we have got value by a2 b1 minus a1 b2. Now you know that a minus b is written as minus b minus a. If we take minus sign, the sign will change. This minus sign will change into plus, and this plus sign will change into minus. So now take the minus sign common in numerator. It will be, then a2 c1 will be positive and a1 c2 will be negative, and also take minus sign common in denominator. Then this will be positive, a1 b2 will be positive, and a2 b1 will be negative. So this minus and this minus will be cancelled. So y can, the value of y can also be equal to a2 c1 minus a1 c2 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So I have written here the value of y is a2 c1 minus a1 c2 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now you can see the denominator in both x, in the value of x, the denominator is a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and in value of y also there is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So to make them equal, we have taken minus as common. So this is known as cross multiplication method. This is the value of x and y for a pair of linear equations in two variables. Now we will discuss some more easy method to solve a pair of linear equations by cross multiplication. Now let us see how we can solve a pair of linear equations in two variables by cross multiplication method easily. We have just found out the value of x and y for this pair of equations by the method of elimination, and same value we will find in this way also. So let us see. To find the value of x, first write x, y and 1 as we have written here, and below x write the coefficient of x in equation first and second column wise. The equation first, the coefficient is a1, so we have written a1 first, and below it we have written the coefficient of x, which is a2, and below y you have to write, similarly you have to write coefficient of y below y, and below 1 you have to write the constant term, that is c1 and c2. So in this way you have to write. Now let us find the value of x. To find the value of x, write here x will be equal to If you have to find the value of x, then put a finger or don't see the coefficient of x. Now you have to multiply like that. b1 multiplied by c2 will be equal to b1 c2, and then you have to multiply b2 by c1, and minus sign will be there, b2 c1, and then upon. So it will be numerator. To find the value of x in numerator, you have to cover the coefficient of x, and then you have to multiply like that. Now to find the denominator, you have to put your finger on constant terms, and now similarly you have to multiply like that. a1 multiplied by b2 will be a1 b2, and minus sign will be here, a2 multiplied by b1, so it will be a2 b1. So we have just got the value of x by cross multiplication here. So this is the easy method to find the value of x. Similarly, you can find the value of y. You can also find the value of y similarly. So to find the value of y, I have already written here. To find the value of y, see, we are going to find the value of y. So to find the value of y, you have to put your finger on y and the coefficient of y. Now you have to multiply. So now you have to multiply first you have to multiply a2 by c1. So it will be a2 c1, and then you have to multiply, secondly you have to multiply a1 by c2. First you have to multiply a2 c1, and then minus sign will be there, and then you have to multiply second times, you have to multiply a1 by c2. So it will be a1 c2, and then again in denominator you have to get the denominator, you have to cover up the constant term, and then you have to multiply a1 by b2 first. So it will be a1 b2, and minus you have to multiply this secondly. So minus will be a2 b1. So this is the value of y you have got by the cross multiplication method. Now see, just we have finded the value, both are same, a2 c1 minus a1 c2. So it is also a2, y value of y is a2 c1 minus a1 c2, and in denominator a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So here we have also got a1 b2 minus a2 b1 in the value of y, and in the value of x we have in numerator b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Here also we have got b1 c2 minus b2 c1, and in denominator a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So in this way you can find the value of x and y by the method of cross multiplication. Now let us solve one problem by the method of cross multiplication, and the pair of equations are given: 2x plus y minus 35 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y minus 65 is equal to 0. So in solution, write here first the equation which is given, and let us consider it equation first and second. Now write the coefficient of x, which is a1 is equal to 2, b1 the coefficient of y in equation first, which is 1, and constant term in equation first, that is minus 35. If minus sign is there, then you have to write with sign, and if plus is there, then there is no need to put the plus sign. Similarly, in equation second, the coefficient of x is a2 is equal to 3, coefficient of y is equal to b2 is equal to 4, and constant term is minus 65. Now you can solve it directly by putting the value of x and y we have just find it out. So right here by the cross multiplication method we have x is equal to, we have just find it the value of x and y here. The value of x is, your value of x is, you can see b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon, so we have written b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and the value of y is a2 c1, a2 c1 minus a1 c2 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the value of x and y for a general equation. Then now you have to find the value of x and y one by one by putting all these values. So your x will be equal to, now put the value of b1 which is 1, so write here 1, and b1 into c2, so multiply will be there, and the value of c2 is minus 65. So write here minus 65 in bracket. If minus is there, then you always try to write in within bracket. And now minus sign is there, b2 is, value of b2 is 4, and c1 is equal to minus 35 upon a1 is equal to 2, and b2 is equal to 4, minus a2 is equal to 3, and b1 is equal to 1. So this will be, your x will be equal to minus 1 into minus 65, minus 65, and minus multiplied will be plus 4 multiplied by 35 will be 140 upon 2 multiplied by 4 will be 8, and 3 multiplied by 1 will be 3. So this implies that x will be equal to minus 65 plus 140 is here. So 140 minus 65, 10 minus 5 will be 5, and 13 minus 6 will be 7 upon 8 minus 3 will be 5. So it can be cancelled by 15 times. So we have got the value of x which is equal to 15. And now using this you have to find the value of y. Y is equal to a2. The value of a2 is 3, and c1 is, the value of c1 is minus 35, and minus a1, the value of a1 is 2, and value of c2 is minus 65 upon, now see one thing, a1 b2 and minus a2 b1 is in denominator of x, and same thing are there in denominator of y. So whatever you got at last in denominator of x, the same value will be here. So we have got, at last we have got 5. So direct put the value of denominator whatever you have got in finding the value of x, because a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is here in the denominator of x, and the same value are here in y in denominator of y, that is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So when we put the value of a1 b2 and a2 b1 and we subtract it, the same value will come. So direct put the value of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 you have find it out in to find the value of x. That value directly can be put here in denominator of y. Now your y will be minus and plus multiplied will be minus and 105, and minus multiplied by minus will be plus, 2 multiplied by 65 will be 130 upon 5. So 135 minus 105 will be 25 upon 5, and now it can be cancelled by 5 times. So we have got the value of y, which is equal to 5. Hence your x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 5. So in this way, directly by putting the value of x and y for general equation, we can find the value of x and y by the method of cross multiplication. We can also use another way to solve these questions by cross multiplication method. Let us see another method also. Now let us see, you can also solve this same question by another way also. So we have also again written the given pair of equations. Same equations we have taken here. Given equations are 2x plus y minus 35 is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 65 is equal to 0. This is equation first and this is equation second. So to find the value of x, you can also find the value of x and y in this way also. If you don't remember the value or formula for x and y, then you can solve it by this way also. So let us solve it. To solve it, first write here x, y, and at the place of constant write 1, and below x write the coefficient of x in equation first and then coefficient of x in equation second. We have just written 2 and 3. So in column you have to write 2 is above and 3 is below. So we have written 2 and 3 as like that. Here nothing is there, then 1 is here, so we have written 1, and below it we have written 4. And minus 35 first constant term and minus 65 in equation second constant term. Now by cross multiplication, we get the value of x will be equal to, now you have to multiply like that. You have to cover the x and its coefficient, and then you have to multiply the upwards to downwards first. So let us multiply it. 1 multiplied by minus 65 and minus sign will be there. Then you have to multiply 4 by minus 35. And then in denominator, now cover the constant terms. And then multiply 2 multiplied by 4. And minus sign will be here, and 3 will be multiplied by 1. So your x will be minus 65 and minus minus plus 140 upon 8 minus 3, that is 140 minus 65 will be 75. 5 upon 5, and now you can cancel it by 15 times, so it will be equal to 15. So we have got the value of x, which is equal to 15. And now to find the value of y, let us write it again like that. X, write here x, then y, and then 1. Below x you have to write the coefficient of x in equation first and second. 2, 3, same thing will be written here. 1, 4 will be there here, and minus 35, minus 65. Now you have to find the value of y. So by cross multiplication we have y will be equal to, now you remember here or keep it in your mind, you have to multiply downwards to upwards first. To find the value of y, you first cover the coefficient of y as well as like that, cover the coefficient of y along with y, and now you have to multiply it first. First you have to multiply 3 by minus 35. So write here 3 multiplied by minus 35, and then you have to multiply this second times. You have to multiply 2 by minus 65. Minus sign will be there, and 2 multiplied by minus 65, and below in denominator you have, for denominator you have to cover the constant terms like that, and then you have to multiply it this 2 by 4. That means upwards to downwards. This is first times you have to multiply, that is 2 will be multiplied by 4, and then secondly you have to multiply 3 by 1. Now you can simplify it to find the value of y. So let us simplify it. It will be 3 multiplied by minus 35 will be minus 105, and minus multiplied by minus will be plus 130 upon 8 minus 3. So 130 minus 105 will be 25 upon 8 minus 3 will be 5. So this can be cancelled by 5 times, so it will be 5. Hence we have got the value of x as well as y. The value of x is 15. X is equal to 15 and y is equal to 5. This is your answer. So in both way we have got the same value of x and y, and that means you can solve all problems of linear equations in two variables by cross multiplication method, either in this way or in the way we have just solved it first by putting the value of coefficients in this formula. So it is easy to remember it. You can see this is BC here, and here 1 2 2 1 1 2 and just opposite 2 1, that is B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Here also AB, that is 1 2 and 2 1. So remember it. इसको याद करना बहुत ही आसान है. देखो BC है, AB है, ठीक है. तो BC पहले क्या होगा, x के वैल्यू में BC और AB याद रखो, और 1 2 और उसका उल्टा 2 1, और फिर नीचे भी 1 2 और 2 1 उल्टा हो गया, ठीक है. x का वैल्यू याद रखने के लिए. मतलब 12 21 और 12 21, ठीक है। और ये सब याद करने का तरीका है कि कैसे उसको याद रखेंगे। B1C2 माइनस B2C1 BC बाई AB। तो BC में से जो है पहले क्या होगा 12 तब 21, और यहाँ 12 तब 21, नीचे भी AB में भी। और यहाँ देखो उल्टा हो जाएगा, इसका जो है ये AC होगा AB होगा, यहाँ BC होगा AB होगा, यहाँ AC और AB होगा। तो AC में क्या होगा 21 पहले आएगा तब 12, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में 21 12, यहाँ 12 21 असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, और यहाँ डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। और नीचे जो है ये अगर x का याद है तो ये भी वही उसी तरह सेम रहेगा, ठीक है। बस यहाँ पे चेंजिंग होगा, ये तुम्हारा डिसेंडिंग हो जाएगा, बाकी सब सेम ही रहेगा। तो ये याद करना बहुत ही आसान है फार्मूला, और याद रहेगा तो इस मेथड से जो सोल्व करने में गलती नहीं होता है। इस मेथड में गलती होने का चांस, इस तरह से निकालने में गलती होने का चांसेस रहता है, ठीक है। तो ट्राई टू रिमेंबर दिस फार्मूला फॉर x, द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y, एंड देन पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ coefficients and get the value of x and y in easy way without committing any mistake.